In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to create a professional voice clone using ElevenLabs. In fact, the voiceover in this video is actually my cloned voice, created using this exact process. Before we jump in, if you want to follow along while you watch, you can use the affiliate link in the description. When you click the link, it will take you directly to the ElevenLabs sign-up page. From there, just click on Pricing. To follow this exact tutorial and create a professional voice clone, you will need the Creator Plan or higher. Go ahead and sign up for the Creator or Pro plan, then log into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're on the home screen, you'll notice options like text-to-speech, voices, and more. For this tutorial, we're focusing on creating a voice, so look for the section that says Create or Clone a Voice. Click on Clone Your Voice, then scroll down and select Professional Voice Clone. This will take you to the setup page. On this page, ElevenLabs gives you a few important guidelines. You'll see that they recommend starting with at least 30 minutes of audio and up to 2 hours for the best results. This is because professional voice cloning relies on higher quality, longer recordings to create a more accurate and natural sounding voice. When you're ready, click Create New Clone. A setup window will appear. Start by entering a name for your voice. This can be anything that helps you easily recognize it later. Next, select your language. You can also add a description to keep things organized, especially if you're creating voices for different types of content. There are also optional labels, like accent, gender, and age. These are useful if you want to stay organized or build out a full voice library later on. Now choose how you want to provide your audio. You have two main options. You can upload existing audio files, or you can record directly inside ElevenLabs. If you already have high-quality recordings, uploading them can save time, but if not, recording directly inside the platform is very straightforward. For this example, we're going to record directly. Go ahead and allow microphone access by clicking Request Microphone Permissions. Before you start recording, do a quick check to make sure your microphone is working and your levels are not too low or too high. This small step can make a big difference in your final result. Next, you'll be asked to choose a script and a tone. The tone options include conversational, narration, instructional, persuasive, and informational. Choose the tone that best matches how you plan to use your voice most often. For example, if you're creating YouTube content, conversational is usually a great choice. If you're doing tutorials or training content, instructional might be better. In this example, I'm choosing conversational and selecting the podcast host script. Once the script loads, you're ready to begin recording. Click Start Recording when you're ready. Now this is the part where you want to slow down and be consistent. You'll need to read for at least 30 minutes. 1 hour is even better, and closer to 2 hours will give you the best results. Make sure you're in a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. Let your tone vary slightly so the system can capture different expressions in your voice. Try to stay consistent with your pacing and pronunciation, since that will directly impact how your cloned voice performs later. If you make a small mistake, don't worry too much. Just keep going naturally instead of restarting. Once you've recorded enough, go ahead and click Stop. You'll now be taken to a page where you can review your recording. Take a moment to listen back if needed, and make sure everything sounds clear. Here, you also have the option to upload additional audio samples if you want to improve the quality even more. Adding more variety can help the voice sound more natural in different situations, but it's optional. When everything looks good, click Next. Now you'll move on to voice verification. Click Start Recording, read the sentence shown on the screen, and submit your recording. This step is required to confirm that the voice you're cloning belongs to you. After that, your voice clone will begin processing. ElevenLabs may estimate a few hours for this step, but in many cases it finishes much faster. While it's processing, you can explore other parts of the platform to get familiar with how everything works. You'll receive a notification when your voice is ready. Once it's done, go to the Voices section, then click My Voices. You should see your newly created voice listed there. If you want to stay organized, you can add your voice to a collection. Now let's test it. Go to Text-to-Speech, select your cloned voice, then type in whatever you want it to say. Click Generate and you'll hear your voice clone in action. Try testing different types of sentences to see how it handles tone, pacing, and emotion. If you want to download the audio, go to the History section, find your generated file, and click Download. And that's the full process from start to finish. As you continue using this, you can experiment with different scripts, tones, and types of content to get the best results possible. And again, this opens up a lot of possibilities. You can create consistent voiceovers for videos, build entire podcasts without re-recording, generate audiobook narration, create training content, and more. It makes it much easier to scale content while keeping everything sounding consistent and high quality. If you want to try it out for yourself, check out the affiliate link in the description. It helps support the channel and gives you access to everything shown in this video. If you want more simple breakdowns of helpful business tools like this one, subscribe to Modern Digital Empire so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.